No person is performing the miracles. We'll go to the Heisenberg principle, and then I'll give you some of my own personal experiences. Contribution of the Heisenberg principle, of course, makes the whole thing scientifically possible. The power of intention. It wasn't really until quantum mechanics and the Heisenberg principle that there was a crossover between the linear and the non-linear domain. And now we see the power of intention. So everyone hoping for and praying for someone's recovery increases the likelihood of that occurrence. Does not cause it, does not determine it. And if it is karmically not the right time, it's not going to happen. Why? Because every event is synchronized with everything else in creation. And your healing from something might disrupt something else. You know? Say, oh, dear God, please don't let me die from so-and-so. The question is, why not? You'd rather be crushed by a truck, maybe? All right, because everything in the universe is intertwined with everything else. What some people are doing is praying intensely to try and change that synchronicity. But you see, if this thumb doesn't turn, then the hand can't open. Therefore, what you're praying for would be the antithesis of the design of creation altogether. You're asking for something that would not be fortuitous.